World Arthritis Day. The World Arthritis Day is celebrated every year on 12th October around the world to create awareness about the importance of adopting a healthy lifestyle and encouraging early detection of arthritis. History of World Arthritis Day. October 12th is celebrated as World Arthritis Day. It was first celebrated in 1996. It was started by the Arthritis and Rheumatism International to increase global awareness about rheumatic and musculoskeletal diseases. World Arthritis Day 2020 theme. The theme for World Arthritis Day 2020 is Time to Work. What is arthritis? Arthritis is an inflammation of the joints. It can affect one joint or multiple joints. There are more than 100 different types of arthritis with different causes and treatment methods. The most common types are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Arthritis can limit the type of work that can be done or keep you from working at all. It reduces physical activities such as walking, bicycling and swimming, decreases arthritis pain and improves function, mood and quality of life. Maintaining a healthy weight, people can reduce their risk of neo-osteoarthritis by controlling their weight. What are the arthritis symptoms and signs? Symptoms of arthritis include pain and limited function of joints. Joint inflammation from arthritis is characterized by joint stiffness, swelling, redness, pain and warmth. Stiffness of the joint can lead to poor function. Tenderness of the inflamed joint can be present with or without pain. When large joints are involved, such as the knee, there can be loss of cartilage with limitation of motion from the joint damage. When arthritis affects the small joints in fingers, there can be bone growth and loss of hand grip and grip strength of the hand associated with stiffness. Arthritis of weight-bearing joints can lead to difficulty walking from poor joint function and arthritis pain. Many of the forms of arthritis, because they are rheumatic diseases, can cause symptoms affecting various organs of the body that do not directly involve the joints. Therefore, symptoms in some patients with certain forms of arthritis can also include fever, gland swelling, weight loss, fatigue, feeling unwell and even symptoms from abnormalities of organs such as the lungs, heart or kidneys. Objectives: raising awareness about the importance of adopting a healthy lifestyle and encouraging early detection of arthritis. World Arthritis Day activities. You can get involved with World Arthritis Day by spreading awareness about arthritis. You can educate people around you, encouraging early detection of arthritis. Together on World Arthritis Day, we can make a difference, share information on social media to promote World Arthritis Day. World Arthritis Day is a great time to get out and lend helping hand to those suffering from this condition. If you have relatives who suffer from it, take a day to go over and help them out with the things that are made difficult for them because of their condition. Take some time to do some research and get clear understanding of how people have their lives affected by it.